All right, welcome back. We are on episode 2 of the R6 rebuild. Cheers. All right, so for today's video, and hopefully you guys have watched the previous videos or some of the previous videos that we did, especially involving our R6. Ben, in case you know you're new to the channel, Ben has a S1000 RR. Go ahead, let him know. Talk to him. What you got, Ben?
It's right there.
There she is. That's right. So check out some of our other videos that we have involving his bike. But for now, we're gonna do this one, the R6 rebuild. Like I said, episode 2. So previously on episode 1, we removed the gas tank because there was a hole in it from the accident that I had. So we had to remove that so we can go ahead and work on that. We have it back here now. The hole that we have is all welded up. It looks like right now, but don't worry, give us some time. We're gonna have it all patched up, looking really good. And then so right now what we're going to do is strip the paint off of the gas tank. That's one. Number 2, we're gonna basically strip the bike of all the broken parts and accessories, and then do an unboxing of the different parts that I have ordered. Anything you want to say?
Let's get to it.
That's right. All right, so first things first, I have a stripper right here in the canteen. So what we're gonna do is put the stripper from the canteen into the sprayable bottle and then lather it all over the gas tank and let that soak in. While it's soaking in, we'll strip the bike of all its fairings and accessories and etc. So let's get to it. So need a flathead screwdriver to pop this little thing right here open, the lid. Let me get there we go. Sheesh. Unscrewing this. I'm not gonna tell you guys how to pour. Hopefully you guys can find another YouTube video to learn how to pour things on. Get that in there all good. Hey Ben, while they're listening to me pour, let's find a clip from our other video and entertain them while I'm pouring stripper into a plastic bottle.
Oh my god!
Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Now let's get to stripping. Oh boy. Who knew that it'd be this hot at this time of night?
Yep, sweating.
Yep. Well, surprise, mother sucker. It's all off. All of it. So right now, we're putting all the nuts and bolts and every little piece that we can find in a little container so we don't lose anything. The stripper isn't working as fast as we thought it would, so we're gonna hit it with another layer and then we're gonna let it sit for even longer than that. Check back up on it later on tonight or maybe tomorrow morning. What else we got? Oh, how could I possibly forget? How could I possibly forget? The unboxing. That way we can show you guys all the little goodies. So if you stayed this long, this long, now we're gonna show you what we got.
Yep, if you stayed this long, comment in the comment section below. Please.
Yeah, please. Like, comment, subscribe as well. All the new subscribers, if you like this video, or even if you checked out any of our older videos, etc., check out our old videos. They're not even old, they're just like older, I guess that's how you would say it, right?
I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Our more recent videos, they're awesome. We definitely have fun making these videos. If you guys want us to do anything differently, let us know. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Here's the unboxing. All right, first box that we got for replace parts that we're gonna have to do. This is, drum roll please, just a cute little foot peg. That's all. Yeah, when the bike laid down on the right side, this part came off, so had to order this. I'm actually thinking about spraying over this whole part right here, but we'll see. But for right now, we got the foot pegs, that way we can continue riding. That's number one. Numero dos, number two. I kind of already pre-cut the boxes just because I didn't want to sit there and fiddle with them. I'm a very aggressive box cutter, so I didn't want you guys to see that side of me. Number two, bada bing, bada boom. All right, I have no idea. Hopefully this is the right part, because if it's not, I'm gonna go riot in Orlando. In Mexico, sorry, my bad. Book, book. All right, number two, we got some, drum roll please. Just a nice little handle grip. I think this is the left side, maybe. There you go. Our color scheme that we're gonna be doing is black, and I won't tell you the rest. Find out for yourself. That's right. All right, so that's number two. And number three. All right, let's see what we got here. These are the clip-ons. That's right. The most of them. Dang, this snap, this is hard. Feel that, Ben. That is, that's retarded. That's retarded. But that's what's gonna be replaced right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, these look extended too. What? Oh, these are out there. Oh, okay. Oh no, because they probably, do they slide in? Whatever. We have to watch more YouTube videos because we're not specialists, but we will be after we watch a YouTube video because we have a YouTube authentication. That's it. Haha, boop boop. Yep. That's the three things that I got so far. We have a lot more things coming in the mail. Some big things, some small things, some expensive things, some inexpensive things, but you'll see. I have to find out. Thank you guys for staying to this part of the video. Hopefully you stayed to this part of the video because it's hot in here and
we are sweating.
Yes, exactly. Anyways, like I said already, like, comment, subscribe. Episode 3 on the way.